Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today's I am bringing you some amazing casual nail art design ideas perfect for everyday wear. These designs are simple, stylish and super easy to try at home. Whether you are a student, working woman or just love cheek nails, this video is for you. So let's dive into these beautiful casual nail art inspiration. We have minimal nude shades with tiny dots, perfect for a clean and casual look. You can also go for soft pastel colors with a single accent nail for subtle beauty. A classic French tips with a twist of color is another casual and trendy choice. Matte finishes in light pink or beige are ideal for everyday style. Try combining neutral shades with simple stripes for a modern vibe. Casual designs do not need to be boring. Tiny hearts or star add a cute touch. Soft ombre nails with natural tones are great for daily wear. A glossy nude base with a tin metallic lines looks chic yet minimal. Light floral pattern can make your casual nails look feminine and fresh. For students, simple polka dot and pastel shades are both fun and classy. Casual nails art is all about easy DIY designs. Use tape to create quick and clean stripes at home. Toothpicks are perfect for making tiny dots and shape. Sponge techniques can help you achieve a soft ombre looks. A single glitter Asian nails can transform a plain manicure. Combine two soft shades for a half and half designs. Use metallic stickers for a quick casual glam effect. Light gray and nude tones are perfect for office wear. For a pop of colors, go for coral or lavender shade. White and gold combinations are great for minimal glam. That's it for today. A casual nail art designs ideas. These styles are perfect for girls who want easy yet stylish nail. Which design was your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Perfect DIY casual nails for stylish everyday looks. Stay tuned for more nail art trends and tips every day. Thank you. Bye.